How to log in or sign in Trust Wallet account. Welcome back to the channel and let's start with a tutorial. For this you will need your Trust Wallet application. You can easily get it from Play Store or App Store. You just have to search for Trust Wallet and select the application and hit the install bubble. Once it is installed, tap on Open. Now you have to tap on Get Started first and foremost, so go ahead and do that. If you already have an existing wallet, tap on Add Existing Wallet or tap on Create a New Wallet. You can skip the backup for now if you want to. Then you have to enter a PIN and a biometrics login for you. Now for some reason my screen record was not allowed over this. But once you are done with the security, you can just start using your Trust Wallet just like that. Allow the permission it asks for, and you have a very usable Trust Wallet account for you. From here, you can easily go ahead and adjust some of the settings of your preference